So the ABC maintenance plan, what it does is you pay for it. We come out twice a year. So we do a major and a minor check every time we come out. Most companies are only going to do one. They call it a spring and a fall check. We do some of ours in the middle of summer. We could come out and do a heating inspection, and we're going to check your heat. We're going to make sure that everything's functioning the way that it's supposed to. And we're going to go through, I think it's a 121-point inspection to do that. But then after we get done, we're also going to do a minor on your air conditioner to make sure, hey, everything's good with it. And so when we leave, you know that no matter what happens, if, we get one of these free cold fronts that blow in, your furnace is going to work. Or if we're heating and, the same thing can happen. We get a heat wave that comes up. And so once that those units will be able to kick back and forth, and that. So we always do a major and a minor every time we come out. That's big because most companies only check one thing. They check the heat or they check the cooling. The other thing is, and we blow out drain lines every time we do it, and we wash the outdoor. The thing on that is that you get 50% of anything you pay into maintenance, you get back if you have to replace that system. So after the first year, if you have one system, you're going to have $75, $78. But then when you renew, we give you a $500 bonus. So now you've got, $575 sitting there. And then, now you've got $650 because you get 50% both times and that $500 kicker. And so we have people that have been in our maintenance program for a few years, and they have $1,800 to $3,000, I think, is the most I've seen. That's going to come right off the top of a new air conditioning system as long as you buy it from ABC. So we save 50% of it in a savings account, if you will, and that's really our service pays for itself. You also get a $50 discount, or up to a $50 discount on anything that we're going to do. So if you call the electricians out and you need to do work, then you're going to get discounts on their services, and that goes with air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical. So the program is unique. It's not like anybody else's because you're getting so much money back when you do have to replace your system. Yeah. And we can transfer that from account to account. So like if you're an AMP customer here at this address, and then you're there for 10 years and you move to this other address, we can just roll all that over to your new address, and as long as you stay in it, then it would hold true for that house.
That's great. Okay.
You also have priority service, meaning there's certain times of the year where we don't take on new customers. We just can't. We try, we do everything we can, but if we have a bunch of AMP customers that are down and out, they go on a separate list, and we're going to go to all of those before we start these new customers over here.